In this video, you'll find the most important question based on the poem Keeping Quiet written by Pablo Neruda. Why does Pablo Neruda call upon all the people to realize the value of quiet introspection? Before we begin with the answer to this question, let us first understand what is introspection and what is quiet introspection. So, introspection is basically an act of examining your own thoughts, feelings, and actions. Here, the poet talks about quiet introspection. Means when you're alone, quiet, you can sit and think deeply about your thoughts, actions, and feelings. So, now let's understand the answer to the question. Pablo Neruda says that quiet introspection can transform life of an individual and also the face of the earth. It leads to a better and fresh course of further activity in our life. Without it, we shall never be able to understand ourselves, and then we shall be as good as dead. The poet says that we can examine and analyze our inner thoughts only in moments of complete silence. If we give some time to quiet introspection, we shall experience a very unusual feeling. We shall feel no hurry or worry. There shall be complete silence. We shall suddenly feel a strange togetherness with all others. This quiet introspection will lead everyone to come out of their greed, selfishness, and cruelty. Warmongers will give up their lust for war. They will no longer spend their lives fighting their enemies. They won't stain their clothes with blood of their enemy. They will look upon their enemy as their brothers. All hurry, worry, and fighting will end if man finds a little time for introspection. This is the reason that the poet calls upon all the people to realize the value of quiet introspection. That's all for today. In case of any doubts or queries, you can drop us a message on Instagram, or you can also drop them in the comment section below. I'll revert to them as soon as possible. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.